Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Tube Mint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to your Shopify store. So there are two ways to add products to your Shopify store. The first one is you simply go ahead and upload one by one product to Shopify store. And the second one is you import, basically you add product to your Shopify store in bulk using CSV file. So I have already created a video on how to import products to Shopify store in bulk. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add product one by one and anything that is related to product briefly. So let's get started. So go ahead and log into your Shopify store, and this is my admin area. So I assume that you are already in your Shopify admin area. To add product, you simply click on this products on the left here in the menu, and then simply click on add product. Okay, there is one more thing. If you would like to add this product to certain collection, so you simply need to have your collection created beforehand. So to create a collection, simply go ahead and click collections under products. So I'm going to press Control key and click on this collections to open this in a new tab. And here you need to create a collection first. So this is going to be collections title. I'm going to simply say health and something in here, right? So this is going to be about collection. Again, you can add images, videos, and you can use these customizers. You can also use this HTML. Collection type is going to be add products to this collection one by one. So I'm going to use it manual because we are doing everything manual. Here comes the SEO part. So you can go ahead and simply say health and describe your write something in description basically for about this collection, what you're going to put in here, and otherwise you're almost done. What you need to do, simply go ahead and it's online, and this is the theme, online store, default collection, and we are going to save it. Again, you can customize your URL. So this is the collection that we are going to use for this add products to Shopify video. So go ahead and make sure it's created health. I can go ahead and close it, and I'll simply go ahead and refresh my page to load this collection in my products on this page basically. So this wasn't on the same page. Now I'll go ahead and click on products to add product. So click on add product, and now here, first thing first, you will have two options. So first one, you can make it save as a draft, otherwise as active product. So I'm simply going to say healthy mineral rich. There's some product here, gel. Now you can go ahead and simply write something in here about your description, right? You can add image. So I'm going to upload an image. Okay, I already seem to have this image here, very related to this sort of product. Then I'll quickly go ahead and upload an image. Let's say I'm just looking for an image related to this product title. Okay, this is what it goes. Here we go. So image is being inserted. If you want to, so you need to select this. Okay, and then it's been added. Now here, this is going to be media. Add media URL or drop. So I'll go ahead and select again an image from here. You can add video too. So to add a video, you simply go ahead and first upload your video to services like YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion, and then get the shareable or embeddable code like this one. So I'll go ahead and get one video embed from my channel. So here we go. Let's say I have a very small video here. So I'll go ahead and I'll click on share and I'll get the embed code from here. You see here. So simply go ahead and copy. So this is just an example. You can go ahead and just copy the code and insert the video. So my video is inserted. Now product type is going to be what is indoor, outdoor. So these are two types of products here. Let's say indoor. If it is vendor, we don't have any vendor, but let's say we want to say some MDS lab. This is going to be the vendor. Collection, we have collections. So you can see the collection. This is how you add a collection to your Shopify products. You can definitely go ahead and add products. So I can simply say gel, add gels. That's going to be a tag. Default product template. We do not have any template. We are going to use default template here, and then the pricing. Okay, so I'm simply going to say $15 cost per item. Compare air price. This is not required. I can simply say whatever the cost of the product is. So this is profit. Inventory is how many products. This is going to be SKU, which is going to be a very unique code. So I can simply go ahead and say gel. Also people like to keep it in uppercase, and then they give some number. So this is going to be, let's say you have 4 variety of same product like gel. So this is how you can make each gel, healthy gel, unique for your team. So they will get a code and they will go ahead and get that product and ship it. Barcode, if you have any barcode, go ahead and type in here. Inventory, let's say I have 50 jars. This is a physical product. You would definitely want to, and let's say this is going to be 250 grams. Custom information, let's say it's going to be somewhere just in one country. This is completely a different, let's say this is going to be state. Oh, HS code. This is going to be HS code. I'll tell you what is HS code. So HS code is basically for import export. So if you have to export it, you definitely export it to a different country. If you're selling it to as a kind of wholesaler, then you need the HS code for importer outside India or whatever country you are in. And then manual enter the code that is no longer. So you can also go ahead, and which is very good here. I can see this company has given you opportunity to go ahead and sell these internationally. So this is going to be kind of HS code for this product. Multiple options like different sizes and colors. No, it doesn't. Once you're done here, we are almost done with the product thing here. You can go ahead and use these customizer. So we are done with adding product to Shopify store. The next thing is we want to go ahead and make sure our SEO is perfectly fine. So you simply go ahead and optimize your page title for this product title of this page, and then description. Also you can go ahead and simply say customize your URL of this product. One more thing you might do, you simply go ahead and add more media like images to this product, which is really good. So the more images you have, the better you have chances to rank for images as well. So that's all. I'll simply go ahead and save it, and your product is added to Shopify store. Go ahead and view the product. So I can simply go ahead and open this in my another tab, and you will see if I go ahead and, so it's not loading the collection yet. I already have created one collection here. Let's see if I go to catalog, filter by, we added something. New to, so this is the product that we just added, and this is how it looks. Now you can see here, this is the media that we just added. This is the title, the price, and this comes under your product description. So you can add an image. If you want to add video here, so you'll have to install paid plugins or apps for this Shopify store. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.